Hello everyone, welcome to Speak Up. I hope you have a nice day. Hi everyone.
One more time, first time, please. Okay, just careful.
I believe
Ready?
so. I'm encouraged.
Okay, start from the so.
You can choose the word.
Okay, one more time.
You can choose
Okay, start from the you can choose.
work. Wait, sorry. Comments. Speak Up is a great community.
Really?
Yeah, I guess. Hi everyone, I'm Maylene and you can call me May. I'm a licensed teacher and I have been teaching since 2004. My first teaching experience was in a school established by Korean missionaries where I taught mathematics and English to high school students. I have taught students of different ages and nationalities, both online and classroom settings. Teaching online has widened my horizon without leaving the country. My teaching style varies to suit my students' levels, needs, and learning preferences. I use methods that motivate and encourage participation in class. I always make it a point that all my classes are fun and productive. I believe that confidence plays a big role in learning a new language. So I'm encouraging my students to learn from their mistakes. It's part of the learning process. We have to remember that our aim is communication, not perfection. Studying online gives you more flexibility. You can choose your own learning environment that works best for you, be it your office, your living room, or the cafe across the street. As long as you have a stable internet connection and a computer or mobile device. When you study online, you can also enjoy the undivided attention of your teacher and real-time feedback. Speak Up is an online community where students can find teachers who can help them achieve their learning goals. I commend you for having the eagerness to improve your overall English communication skills. You've just made the right decision to learn and practice English with me online. Remember that practice makes great performance. For details and information, please refer to the description below. Feel free to leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. I will respond to them the soonest possible time. Thank you.